What's up, guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today I'm going to be showing you another tutorial here today. And today I'm going to show you how to connect coaster cars. This is basically kind of a DIY video. I'm going to show you how to connect coaster cars, and I'm going to show you how to connect a regular coaster car with the Web Weaver car. The Web Weaver car that comes with the Web Weaver coaster, and it's got the fan and everything. And I'm going to show you a little specialized DIY on how to do it. So here's how to do it. Here's what you need to connect two coaster cars. Obviously, you need your two cars right here, and then you are also going to need a rubber band and a little spacer. So the first step you do is you take the rubber band, kind of pinch it at the end so that way you can stick it through the micro spacer, and make sure you stick it all the way through so it's even on both sides, like so. Now what you do next is you take whatever car you want in the back, and I'm taking the orange card that I want in the back, and you take one spot, make sure you have one end connected to your finger, that way you have a hold of one, and then take the other end, stretch it out, and make it go all around the structure. That's one end. And then you do it to the other car that you want in front, and place it on the back structure of the car. And there you have it. Make sure the rubber band is fully tucked in the structure and in the middle, so that way it is not interfering when it runs on the coaster. So there you guys go. That's how you connect two coaster cars. Now I am going to show you guys how to connect a Web Weaver car with the regular car. It works the same way, but just a few differences. You're obviously going to need a rubber band, but now you also need this little blue spacer. This is about the same size as the white one, but just a little shorter. So the way you do it, do the same thing, pinch and pull through. And also you're going to want to do that with the blue spacer. Pinch and push through. There you go. So now that you have that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the Web Weaver car first and take off its little cover. After you take off its cover, make sure you have one finger on one end, so that way you have one end of the connector, and then also take the other rubber band, and this time you're going to pinch the end, and there's a little hole straight at the top right here. Right there, right where the rubber band is. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it at the bottom of the car and push the rubber band through the top. This may be a bit of a tedious process, but you'll be able to push through. Once you push through, make sure you fully stretch it out so that way you have it. And then also, you're going to want to place it around this little connector where the cover goes. Just like so. That's how you're going to want it. And then you can obviously just take the other part and wrap it around the back of the car. And then once you're done, take the front and then push it back on. And there you have it. So now you can run the Web Weaver car with the regular car on the train tracks. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is how you connect coaster cars and a Web Weaver car. Let me know if you have any questions and if you need any help on this. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll keep them coming. Let me know what other tutorial vids you want me to do. And thank you guys. I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!